In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Make.com using your GitHub account. This seamless integration allows you to connect your automation workflow effortlessly, leveraging the power of both platforms for a streamlined experience. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you logged in using GitHub credentials. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Make.com. This is the hub where you'll find all the necessary tools to create and manage your automation workflows. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site if you're not already acquainted, as Make.com is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful functionalities designed to enhance your productivity through automation. Once you've arrived at Make.com, look towards the top right corner of the homepage, where you'll see the Login button. A simple but crucial step, clicking this button will bring you to the Login page. This page serves as your gateway to accessing your account and all personalized settings you've established on Make.com. Now you're on the login page. Here you'll find multiple options to sign in, but our focus will be on the Sign In with GitHub button. Before we proceed, ensure you have your GitHub account details on hand. In case you have not set up a GitHub account yet, I recommend creating one, as it provides you with robust version control capabilities and a comprehensive suite of developer tools. Back on the login page, go ahead and click on the option that highlights Sign In with GitHub. Clicking this will redirect you to GitHub's authentication page. This step is crucial as it ensures that your credentials are handled securely and that your approval is given to share basic profile information with Make.com. On GitHub's authentication page, if you're already logged into GitHub in your browser, you might not need to enter your credentials. You can simply authorize the connection. However, if GitHub prompts you for authentication, enter your GitHub username and password and proceed to log in. Once login is successful, you might see a confirmation prompt asking you to authorize the integration of GitHub with Make.com, review the permissions, and when you're ready, click Authorize to proceed, and voila, you should now be redirected back to Make.com, logged in and ready to create or manage your workflows. This GitHub integration is intended to make your workflow management seamless, tapping into the collaborative and secure environment that GitHub provides. By following these steps, you've successfully logged into Make.com using your GitHub account. This method not only streamlines the login process, but also enhances your security by reducing the number of credentials you need to remember. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial and enjoy your experience on Make.com.